The Jcd 858D presents itself as a comprehensive solution for electronic repair, integrating two essential functions into a single unit. This two-in-one soldering station and hot air gun is designed to address a range of demanding tasks in electronics assembly and repair. At its core, this unit offers a robust 700W power output, facilitating efficient heat generation for both its hot air gun and soldering capabilities. The dual voltage compatibility, supporting both 110V and 220V, underscores its readiness for diverse global environments. Operational precision is enhanced by the integrated LED digital display, providing clear feedback for controlled adjustments during critical work. The Jcd 858D is specifically engineered for intricate electronic work, making it a valuable asset for Bga Rework. Its functionality extends to the precise manipulation and repair of surface mount device (SMD) and surface mount technology (SMT) components, positioning it as a dedicated welding and repair tool for modern circuit board maintenance. The integrated design,